cost will increase. And that's because they're not interchangeable, they're not easily adaptable. The skills to make robots are different than the skills to make pizza. So while I'm a good pizza maker, I wouldn't be good on the robotics team.
Next.
What?
I'm ready to say.
Oh, so you're the only one we should carry. Yeah, okay. Man. All right, so that's the bow now. All right. Here are the shifters. So change in resource quantity or quality. So school is a shifter of the production possibilities curve because the quality of worker we're producing. More people coming in, immigration into the United States, is a change in the resource quantity or quality. Change in technology. And then change in foreign trade. The change in foreign trade leads into more consumption, not production. So it gives us more things available to consume because we're trading, but we can't produce more.
So it's not a shifter.
I mean, I just want you to just realize it increases consumption, but right, not production.
So it's not a shifter, but it increases
Yeah.
consumption.
Okay,
That's somewhat misleading.
I know. But this, that's why I want to clear up. But, all right, which points are productive? All right, nothing on this is allocatively efficient. We talked about A, B, C, D being productively efficient, okay? I just guess I put that up there again. Oh,
It says graph of possibilities curved.
all right, what would shift here? Draw a graph showing the decreased interest in pizza. Someone?
Like where pizza is, where the top of the graph is, it would like decrease while the robots.
So no shift?
No,
or shift?
decrease.
Okay.
So shift down.
It's just gonna slide.
Oh.
Right? Because decrease in pizza or decrease in demand is not a shifter. All right? So it'll just slide up or down depending on the increase or decrease in the demand for pizza. Is there another practice one there?
No.
Okay. All right. Just what happens if there's an increase in the population? What would happen here?
It's just
It all shifts out. Okay? Technology improves pizza ovens. That's what you were talking about before, right, Patty? Where we just move out there, the pizza ovens. All right. An international trade. Why do countries trade? It's all about specialization. So one of their favorite questions is, even if the United States has the absolute advantage in cotton and cars, does it make sense to trade? And yes, it does. Okay? So absolute advantage, the producer that can produce the most or requires the least amount of input. So you can either produce the most or you require the least amount of inputs. Oh man, I used Papa John's. Oh, it's crazy.
Trainer. Work there anymore, it's fun.
No, it's not fun.
It was such a...
No, I still don't think it's fun. Alright, comparative advantage is the producer with the lowest opportunity cost. Trade is based on comparative advantage. Okay? You specialize in what you have the lowest opportunity cost. At least I went to McDonald's. Alright, so companies should trade if they have the relatively lower opportunity cost. Okay? Alright, I think I have an example. So this is tons of wheat. The first thing to think isn't an output. It's an output because it should be in tons of wheat. Output is other over. What do I mean by that? If I'm looking at wheat, the other is sugar. 30 over 30 is 1. I'm looking at Brazil, the other is sugar. 20 over 10 is 2. The United States has a lower opportunity cost in wheat, so it should specialize in wheat and export wheat. Brazil has the lower opportunity cost in sugar, so it should export sugar. You can only have the lower opportunity cost in one of these. Okay? You can have the absolute advantage in both, as the United States does, 30 tons to 10, 30 to 20. So the United States has the absolute advantage in both, but it only has the comparative advantage in wheat. Okay? So which country should export sugar? Brazil should export sugar, and the United States wheat. All right, now, this table shows the number of hours to produce a ton of sausage and a ton of computers. God almighty.
It's not that many.
Alright, so when it talks about like the number of hours and the output is constant, then it's an input problem. So input is other under. IOU. Input is other under. So the sausage is 2, the computers is 6, the other under for Canada is 2/6. For the UK, the sausage is 10, I take the computers, I put it under, 10 under 10 is 1. Canada, 1/3, lower opportunity cost. Canada should do sausage, the UK should do computers.
Is input other under?
Other under. Okay? Now, for absolute advantage for inputs, you're looking for the smallest number, right? Because it's who would take the least amount of hours to make a ton of sausage. So Canada here has the absolute advantage in both. 2 to 10, 6 to 10. Okay? Okay, woof, we're at the end, right? All right, good time, AKA communism. All right, so in centrally planned economies, generalizations, they own all the resources. They decide the 3 questions, economic questions that we looked at the beginning. What to produce, how much, and let's see, these are all, okay. So Cuba, China, North Korea are examples of it. All right, and a lot of reasons they face problems with poor quality is there's lack of motivation. Like, why should I be the best at something when I'm going to get paid the same amount?
I thought that was socialism.
Well,
The same argument applies.
okay, and then the characteristics of the free market, little government involvement in the economy, so laissez-faire. We own the resources and answer the 3 economic questions. Okay? The opportunity to make profit gives people incentive, and that goes like with the invisible hand. There's a lot of goods, there's competition, as I was saying with me and HQ going back and forth, that spurs on. And then the last thing is pretty much the invisible hand definition again. Any questions on anything we went over? We're good? Okay. I don't know where he is first
Do you
period, but
know,
he's not in
Scotty,
this.
do you know how to stop recording? Can you press the movie button again?
Probably in the back. Could you just hit that button?